Hi, I am Chail Khalsa. This course was intended for the students to break out of the realms of the conventions of textile design and design as a whole. They worked with Arduino programming, circuit design, integrated electronics in various kinds of fabrics to create products that are all one of a kind. The students actually got an idea of the potential of design research and e-textiles through the 10 days that we worked with them. And we are very excited to show you the outcomes.
I am Himanshu Bavlani. Through this online course, we took the students through the process of conceptualization, ideation, electronics prototyping, fabrication, programming, and finally documentation of their ideas.
Hi, this is Dr. Ketan working as faculty in textile design discipline at NID Paladi campus. The open elective OE 2105 gives students the hands-on experience of making and redefining the technology of future textiles through the lens of designers. The students got hands-on experience with Arduino circuits, problems, troubleshooting and programming in designing e-textiles. Happy to share research work done by students during this course.
Pickpocketing is very common in India, especially in crowded places like metro, buses, railway stations. One needs to be extremely careful while commuting. Still, a few of us might have faced the situation. With the introduction of e-textiles, I tried to design a simple solution that alarms the user by triggering signals like vibration or a buzzer whenever someone tries to reach the pocket. This will not only prevent the mishappening but will also make the journey a little less stressful for the user.
A human being during infancy and old age is bedridden and dependent on other people for almost all activities. Urinary incontinence or bedwetting is a common occurrence during this age. If gone unnoticed, it could lead to infections that may cause serious problems. Moisture sensing bed mat, as the name suggests, is a mat with a moisture sensor integrated in it. The sensor detects the moisture in the mat and alerts the people around by the sound of a buzzer and an LED. The entire process, right from idea generation to execution, was challenging but fascinating as I got a chance to turn theoretical concepts into practice. It made me see textiles from a new perspective.
Have you ever imagined that you can measure the temperature of any object just by touching it? Here I present you a piece of e-textile, a temperature measuring glove, which has temperature sensors sewed on it. This glove can be used by firefighters in the rescue operations where they can know the temperature of an area with unknown fire dangers before entering. Use of this glove can withdraw additional dangers and can save the rescue time.
Growing up, I always wondered why my dyslexic friend would have someone shine a focus light on whatever he was reading. It felt like such an inconvenience, which was in fact what triggered me to design this focus light on my glove. With the help of my faculty and my learnings from this e-textiles course, I was able to make such a simple product which may actually end up helping so many.
Capturing the essence of temperature on our moods is not easy, but have you ever introspected about it? This is a kinetic string wall hanging which visually represents the ambient temperature. It senses the temperature and changes its pattern accordingly to visually represent its corresponding influence on our moods. So when it's hot, we feel uneasy, and that is represented by the strings coming together showing chaos and restlessness. But when it's cool, we feel calm, and it is shown by the serene pattern.
Jewelry has always been a personal adornment for people since times immemorial. Jewelry signifies remembrance and acts as a physical token of love and affection. Taking this thought forward with a theatrical element of light along with fabric, I've created this pendant. The pleats of the fabric denote the memories binded in a form of structure, and the element of light denotes guidance and acceptance of grief. This jewelry acts as a physical form of feelings which you can wear, carry, and cherish. It is a sweet metaphoric reminder that your lost loved ones are right here with you. They are just beyond, acting as the light.
The idea was to create a device that could provide support and heat relief simultaneously without interrupting work. The process involved testing different wire lengths, placement, and integration to get the required heating, and also making a brace with materials from around the house. The experience gave insight into making heat in garments and reinforced the importance of testing when combining textiles and electronics.
It's your favorite track on the radio and you just want to play a guitar but you don't have any. So what do? Down, 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 down. That's why we made this AirFred, a glove that can translate gestures into music. Which means what you can actually do is
in this pandemic, due to long sitting hours in front of a laptop, people have started getting neck and shoulder pains more frequently. Since a massager can't apply a desired amount of pressure on certain points, I decided to make a massager using a glove. To switch on the massager, press the button and the motor start working. Then press the button again to switch to different modes. The key takeaway from this project would be to understand how e-textiles are made and how they can be integrated in our daily lives.
The inspiration for the fabric speaker cushion came from a project called Sonoflex by Google and MI Labs. The process was one which was filled with trial and error. This led me to explore coils of different lengths, diameters, and materials. I faced a lot of hurdles along the way, but I learned a lot from it. It was exciting to see how textile and technology integrated so seamlessly. The 2 weeks were extremely rewarding in terms of the new things I was exposed to in the realm of e-textiles.
Since COVID-19 hindered, people have moved to new normal with spending long hours in front of the computer and mobile screens. This trend causes headaches. With the help of the e-textile, I tried to design a head massager cap. User can use this lightweight cap anywhere, anytime. It will reduce stress and the user will feel refreshed. This massage will not only relax you but will also promote your brain activity.
Tennis elbow and rotator cuff tear often occur in people who repeatedly perform the same shoulder motions. Often doctors advise badminton players with these conditions or injuries to keep a tab on how much force they exert while they hit the shuttle. This is a product that helps you keep track of the force depending on which the LEDs glow. An added feature is also that the player can use it as a sweatband without any trouble. The device is worn on the wrist. It takes the readings according to the movement and then calibrates the values and gives you the output.
My concept is sky, and I've taken space dividers like for office purposes, using sky as a clock in a metaphorical way. Association with the colors which is there in the sky, like from morning to evening and to afternoon. So usually at first you'll see that there are reds and the yellows and the whites. So that's how I different color patterns which is depicting the drama that is going on in the sky.